Hello, friends! Welcome to Alex Daily English, Easy Way. Let's learn English in a fun and easy, learn English every day with Alex. Let's start! Good morning, everyone.
Have a nice day.
Alex, play with me later.
Yes, Lily!
This is for learning and fun. Only 1 hour every day.
Wow! Thank you, Dad.
This game is amazing!
Can I play too?
Wait, I am busy.
Let's play, Alex.
Just 5 more minutes. Be careful near the road. Okay, Mom.
I love football. Look at me, Alex.
1 minute.
Play with me, Alex.
Lily, I am busy.
My ball! Careful! Careful!
Lily! Lily! Please open your eyes.
Alex?
Lily!
Stay calm. Everything is going to be fine.
I'm sorry, it was an accident.
She will be okay.
Thank you. It was my mistake.
We hope Lily is okay.
I was busy on the mobile.
Lily will be okay. Good news. Lily is safe.
Thank you. I'm sorry, Lily.
It's okay, Alex.
I never leave you alone.
A phone is useful, but family comes first.
I understand.
Always care of your family.
Yes, Dad.
Good, Alex.
Let's play together.
Yeah!
Let's play football. I love football.
You're the best brother. Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Well done, Alex.
Thank you for watching my story. See you next time. Keep learning English. Subscribe and like. Which part did you like?